So, if you have straight hair or even wavy hair, you'd know how difficult it can be to keep the hair as straight as it naturally is. Because to be real, we can't really let our hair open all day long for obvious reasons. So we have to put it in a bun or a ponytail or something like that. But the problem arises when we open our hair because they leave our hair with these waves or bumps. Now they can sometimes look good, and I even like my hair when it is a little wavy, but the point is, our hair cannot remain straight if we put it in a bun. Now to solve this problem, we can comb through our hair 1 or 2 times, but what you will notice is while reducing the bumps from the hair, it won't completely remove them. Now, there are actually 3 ways to deal with this situation. The first one is to, of course, accept this is the new reality and completely forget that removing these bumps is actually possible. Secondly, as we discussed earlier, we can comb through the hair a few times to reduce the bumps to a certain degree. But the third one is the gem. What you need to do is, as soon as you open your bun, just wet the length of your hair a little bit wherever the bump or the waves are located, and then simply comb or brush through the hair. What you'll notice is once your hair is completely dry, all of the waves and the bumps are gone. And you're left with your hair that is as straight as it naturally can be. So this can be your primary solution to the bumps that are caused by the bun. But do keep in mind, if you make a bun while your hair is still wet, it is going to have the same bumps and waves again. So let your hair completely dry first. So this was a quick little video, and this is how you can treat your bumps caused by the man buns. And if I got successful in telling you guys something useful, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. And also don't forget to tell me in the comment section what you guys wanna watch next. But with that being said, I'll see you guys around.